Guys, welcome to Eric Auto Center on YouTube and Auto Genius on the TikTok. I always forgotten this thing, my own platform. I've been addicted on YouTube for a very long time, so pardon me guys. This is Auto Genius on TikTok, and we are here to proceed another video content exclusive informative about 2018 Toyota Camry XSE import duty and taxes. So I will not take my time for this video. This is a comment I got from the last video I did, and I was waiting for the person to provide the information about the car, and it came later. So the purchase price I got from the person is $15,000 US, and this car is originated from the country Dubai. Yes, that is the country of origin. Let me put it that way so that everybody can understand. So importing 2018 Toyota Camry from Dubai to Ghana, and that is XSE full edition. Let's break everything down. Purchase price in Dubai is $15,000 US. Converting to Ghana cedi is 187,500 Ghana cedi. Estimated shipment and insurance is $1,700 US. Sometimes it's more than that, but I choose the engine capacity of 2.5 liter. If your engine capacity is 3.5 liter, then this estimated breaking it down will be higher than that. So let's take note about that, because you didn't provide the cylinder capacity, but I choose for 2.5. That is most often normally people use, and so it will be good like that for choosing the lower engine capacity than go for the bin type. And 1,700 converting to Ghana cedi is 21,250 Ghana cedi. Total CIF is 208,750 Ghana cedi. That is the 2.8 billion and 750. Let's take it that way. Import duty and taxes in Ghana cedi. So this is the base item. Always I made mention that you have to know that these are the basic requirements you have to use to calculate your import duty. Import duty I always calculate is not automatically generated from any website. I did it myself because I have all the data, I have all the information, I have the basic requirement, and I have my calculator. So 10% against total value of the purchase price and the insurance and shipment, which will give us 20,875 Ghana cedi. Then VAT of 50% will also giving us 34,931 Ghana cedi, because it will be added by the duty and the CIF. That is why it's been adjusted high like that, and that is how always VAT adjusted itself automatically in the system by all means. So NHIL 2.5 will also give us 5,822. GetFund levy of 2.5 is 5,822 as usual. Other levies like ECOWAS, AU levy, exit levy, examination, processing fee, special import levy is also 6,556 Ghana cedi. So in total duty and taxes for this particular car, which is the real amount we are going to pay to clear this car, is 79,828 Ghana cedi. Total import duty and taxes for Toyota Camry 2018 XSE importing from Dubai. The duty for clearance is 79,828 Ghana cedi. Please, if your engine capacity is more than 2.5, that means you are going to pay more than this money. So expect it like that, and maybe some charges of the agent will also adjust it to go higher than that. But this is the current situation at the moment. So we have to budget for 80,000 so that you can able to clear this car from Tema Harbor. Duty relative to purchase price. The total duty and taxes represent 43% against the purchasing price and the CIF. So you are going to pay 43% from the purchasing price, which is of the CIF, and 208,750 Ghana cedi. This is the amount you are going to pay. Custom is charging you 43% out of the CIF. This is what they do normally. This is represent 43% of the car, Dubai purchase price. So this is normal for Ghana, as customs calculated duties on CIF, cost plus insurance plus freight and tax, VAT, VAT, NHIL GetFund and other levies. Total estimated cost to clear the car 288,578, plus CIF plus all duties and taxes. So this is the main requirement, and this amount, let me clarify, it is not the amount you are going to pay the to clear the car. I have already stated that the total duties and taxes for the clearance is 79,828 Ghana cedi, but I added this to the CIF, which is of 208,750 Ghana cedi. This is the whole calculation of the car after buying it, shipping it, clearing it. This is the whole figure, so let's take note about that. And it's not the exact amount we are going to pay to clear the car, so I have clarified it. So this is something that is happening all the time. Actual clearing costs may vary slightly due to a custom valuation, exchange rate, or clearing agent fee. This is between you and your agent, so it's not mandatory for you to go to pay this money. Either it will adjust, or maybe when the dollar fluctuates, it will reduce more than this I am mentioning. So let's take note about that. So this breakdown helps you to see the real cost before importing car from any country, whether Dubai. And no surprise, at Tema Harbor, this is the main import duty at the moment, and this is the actual amount we are going to pay. So let's all take note about that. If you have any question, if you have any option, if you have any car that you want to get to know more about the import duty calculation and it has been a burden to you, I will have you covered. Just write the car and the the engine capacity, the manufacturing date, the purchasing price, and shipment and freight in there. I will pick those information to calculate everything and then upload the video here for you. I need more videos, and yes guys, the one thing I want you to do for me is to follow me, because I have seen a lot of people watching my video, but only few have been trying to sacrifice to follow me, which is not helpful at all, because I want to reach 1,000 followers, so that I can able to come to live session, so that I can answer every question. And I also have a mentorship of teaching people how to calculate import duty by self, how to go about it, what to do and what not to do. So if I get opportunity to reach out 1,000 followers, maybe next Sunday evening 6:30, I will come live on TikTok for the first time, and it's going to be amazing. If you want to join and tell your contribution, I'll allow you to join. You can also subscribe my channel, so that you can become a premium and VIP member, which will share more information, for rightful information to do all these things. So it's going to be amazing, amazing platform. I tell you guys, share the video, like, comment, and also follow me. Let me see more followers from this video content. And my brother, this is your video. Let's make friends, let's make brothers, let's make family, let's make everything great here. We don't want to separate anything. If anything, somebody has offended someone, let kick it away and move forward in life. That is how we build community to improve ourselves on social activities. Then we move forward. Thanks for watching me. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.